How to remove or turn off subscriptions on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove or turn off our subscriptions on TikTok by following some methods. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Before watching, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you should go to your profile. After going to your profile, you will be able to see this kind of interface. So here I want you to go to the menu bar. After going to your menu bar, just go to settings and privacy. After that, just scroll down a bit until you get to report a problem. So tap on report a problem. After that, wait for it to load. So after going here, just scroll down a bit and here you will be able to see a subscription with drop down. So here tap on subscription and see the managing your subscriptions. Just tap on that and here go up to the question that you want to ask about regarding your subscriptions and look up for the solutions. And you can see where can I check my subscriptions, how can I cancel an auto renewal subscription, what happens if I switch my 1 month subscription to monthly auto renewable before it expires, how do I terminate my subscriptions on TikTok. Since we're gonna remove our subscription, just tap on this how do I terminate my subscriptions on TikTok and look up for the solutions, and TikTok should be able to give you solutions. Just follow the solutions and you should be able to remove your subscriptions from TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.